If you have a new website, the one thing you're probably suffering from is a lack of traffic. And in this video, I'm going to show you a little hack that you can use in order to get more traffic to your website. You're probably already posting on social media and trying to drive as many people as you can over to your website, but there's actually something you can do that will not only get you traffic, but it will also help increase your domain authority. And that thing that you can do is produce and release a press release. I'm here inside of a tool called WriteSonic. There's a link down in the description, and you can actually use WriteSonic in order to write a press release for you. I'm going to come up here to the search bar. I'm going to click and write in the word press, and you can see short press release here. If I click on that, it will open up the tool inside of WriteSonic, and we're going to fill this information out. Now, a press release is only around about 500 words. What that's going to do is then be released out to lots of other websites. That's going to hopefully drive traffic over to your website, starting to get the ball rolling. And because these links are going out to high authority websites, that also increases the domain authority for your website. Now, there's more that you need to do in this process. So if you'd like me to create another video on how to use press release to increase your domain authority and get more traffic, then leave a comment in the description below this video. But for now, you can see I filled out this particular tool for creating a press release with a fictional web design company. I've done the service information. I put in my target keywords that I want to make sure is in the final copy. I picked my tone as excited and premium content. I'm just going to pop down here then and hit generate. What's going to happen now is the AI inside of WriteSonic is going to go away, and it's going to create a press release for me. Now, as I said, these are maximum of around 500 words. So you can see here, I've got 3 different options. What I can do now is I can rate these to give some feedback to the AI. If I like a couple of these, I can copy them, and then I can put these sentences together in order to create my final press release. Or if I want to, if there's one of these in particular I like, then I can hit edit, and I'll be able to go over into the editor known as Sonic Editor within WriteSonic in order to be able to edit these, or I can bookmark them for later. So for example, if I want to develop this one, I can hit edit, it opens up the Sonic Editor here, and now I can go in and I can type some more, change things around, and create my final press release. Once I've done that, all I need to do is hit save, and I've got my press release written, and I can then go away, put that on particular websites, and it will start to drive traffic over to my website. If you want to see how you use WriteSonic in order to be able to create a blog post, then all you've got to do is click the video on the screen now. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.